Welcome to the third session of the Gen6 Trust Academy. In this video, we put what you learned so far in practice. Last time we looked into how the ecosystem works and how the data flows. Now let's see how Gen6 works. The phone is the easiest way to use the Gen6 app. You can get the APK from the website under the solutions page, or you can use Google Play Store to install the Gen6 or the Gen6 Lite applications. The difference is that the Gen6 one contains all the features that we developed. The Gen6 Lite only includes identity, real seal, and encrypt. If you have an iPhone, this works as well. The process is very similar, but you do it from the Apple Store. Once you install it, start it and generate your seed words or log in with Google or Apple. You will see your wallet. This will be the first page. And to use the application, you will need GSX. To get GSX, you can ask a community member to send you or buy some GSX from the market. Once you have the GSX, you can go and open the identity page. If you don't have one, you can just click on create. Once you create it, once you open it for the first time, you will see the create identity option. You will see different options here where you can input your name, personal information, pictures, and other links that will be protected by the blockchain. Whatever data you type here will be stored on the middleware. The proofs will go on the blockchain. Remember to set the privacy settings. There are options of public, private, and community. The public can be seen by anyone, the community only by people who are in the Gen6 community who use the application, and the private one is the setup that only you and the middleware provider can access this data. If you want the green badge or the gold badge, then make sure you push request for verification and choose the right option. You can just click request human verification for the human profiles, wait for the Gen6 verification experts to check your profile, your identity, and then you have the chance to get the badge. And then you can choose real seal from the menu point to secure your content and documents and make them verifiable. It's really simple. You just use the menu open real seal and click the shield and upload the document. Once you upload the document, it is uploaded to the middleware, same with the identity information, but the proofs are sent to the blockchain. We have separate tutorials and explanations in detail on how to use real seal, how to share links with it. But once you upload the document, you just make them public, and then you can copy the public link and share with friends, family, or community. And the third thing you will also need to know about is encrypt. Encrypt is using your identity data to create the encryption channels. What does it mean? It means that you generate another private keys for the encryption, which is only accessible to you. This key is not shared on the blockchain, it's not shared with the middleware, it stays on your own device. And when others also create encrypt keys, they can go and publish the public key. The public key is created from the private one. The public is shared on the blockchain. So this public key is used to connect the Gen6 identities and create the secure end-to-end encrypted communication. It is end-to-end because this is encrypted between your device and my device, considering we are talking through encrypt. And the decryption, only those can read the messages who have the private key. in a normal and secure way. If you took good care of your private keys, then that's only you and me, only those who have the private keys. This needs to stay secure on your device and in a secure storage, which could be, for example, Bitwarden or other password and secret manager. And finally, to verify content through the Gen6 app, you need to receive the link from the sender. For example, if someone sends you the link which has gen6.domain in it and you see it opens up, you will be able to click on the verify, considering this is a verification link that was sent to you. Always make sure that you check that the domain is correct, it's not something else. Once you opened it and once you see who is the sender, it is hopefully a verified identity. You should be able to see the badges. If you don't see any badge, green, golden or blue badge, then this is not a Gen6 community verified identity. You might consider not trusting that one. If you see the badge, then this is good news, because then this sender was checked and verified through the Gen6 community. To verify, you can manually click on the verify button. Once you see it green, then everything's good. How it works is that when you click at the button, it takes the proof from the blockchain, checks if the proof is matching the actual data that is sent to your computer. Once it's checked, once it's matching, then you can go and click the link, open the video or download the file that was sent to you. Soon we will have some new versions of Gen6 app where verification will happen automatically, but right now you can do it manually. Later, for smaller files that do not take so much resources to verify, this will happen automatically, so it's more convenient for the users. That's it. Hope you have also verified the URL of this video, or maybe you are already watching this video through the Gen6 app and the Real Seal Wall, which is an integrated part for sharing content through the Gen6 app, make them watchable, make them viewable through the app itself. In the next video, I will be explaining how to prove that some content belongs to you and is real, the source and the origin is authentic. Stay with us and LFG6.